Okay, here I am at Melcourt in Bend, Oregon, and I'm gonna do a little walkthrough here and show you my thoughts on this property. Might as well talk about Murphy Road right now. As you can tell, this is a busy road and it probably will only become busier. Having said that, let's take a look. Okay, just a quick look here out front. You have this yard space right here, which could possibly be used to incorporate the area for an additional dwelling if that's what the goal was. Looks like the house has been recently painted. I know that it needs a roof and that the seller is offering a contribution to put a new roof on it at closing. Looks like new floors have been installed throughout the house. This is the laundry area. Which is not great, considering right off of the kitchen family room here. I don't know what to call this. Got a fully enclosed 2-car garage. You've got gas heat here and insulated garage door. Looks like you've got some storage above the garage here as well. So this is what they're calling RV parking, which is very true. This could also be an additional parking if we try to tie this parking area into like a separate entrance for an additional dwelling. Popcorn on the ceilings. Original cabinets, they do look clean. But original. Got vinyl windows, so those have probably been upgraded since this place was new. Formica countertops here. So the kitchen is pretty much like it was when this house was originally built. Let's look at the other rooms and then I'll take you out to the backyard. There's a little step down right here into the sunken living room. This is a real wood fireplace. Don't see a lot of those anymore. Hollow doors. I don't see a lot of damage. It's not beat up. I don't think this was used as a rental. It needs some updating for sure. Kind of a standard room with a small closet, another small room, not terribly small, but kind of what you would expect for a home this size. Another small closet. This is a queen size bed, I believe. Into the main bedroom. And kind of an unusual setup here. You got the sink in the bedroom. Feels kind of like a hotel. And then a small bath, toilet, and small shower. So the house does have forced heat. I need to confirm if it has air conditioning. I'm doubting that it does. Let's go outside and take a look if we can find. It really needs a gutter. So you can hear the traffic out in the backyard here off of Murphy Road. You can't get past that. As I said, that's not gonna go away. That's a pretty busy road, and it connects over to the east side, the southeast side, where new high school and a lot of new building is happening over there. So I would say that probably in this space that we have here, there's room for an ADU back here. And you would have the option of bringing the entry in across the front yard, or you could come in and have a separate entrance here, but it would be directly across your backyard. So I'm envisioning a possibility of maybe creating a new entry and maybe new parking where the front yard is over here on the other side of the fence there. Maybe even moving the fence out further. But I'm thinking of a couple of different options that make an additional dwelling possible. Of course, all of that has to be approved, by the city. And a true ADU won't be allowed. You're going to have to modify it and make it a smaller version. Like, we have to get rid of the oven. We have to jump through some hoops. Looks like we have some water damage down here. With not having gutters, you have this water splashing up on the siding. This is common. It's unfortunate. And as I said, the house does need a roof. Evidently, they've already had this inspected. And it's probably the original roof. So that needs to go. My takeaway on this property for this price range, around $550,000, is that it's not bad. Under $600,000 is getting very difficult in Bend. It has pros and cons. It does have the larger lot, which is really the attraction, I think, on this property. It's a very simple home. It's a convenient location because this Murphy Road here is the bypass that goes right over to the old mill area and connects you to Mount Bachelor. Very direct path. You can also hop on the bypass, the 97, and go, to the airport, get around town very easily. So it's a convenient location. So it's kind of a mixed bag on this. I think they're going to end up probably closer to 500 on it before it's all over. But it's very interesting, and it's a nice little court here. But that the road noise is just never going to end. It's going to be a busy road for forever. So hopefully that was helpful. Let me know if you have any more questions. Talk to you soon.